Welcome to Erawan National Park in Kanchanaburi, home to Thailand's most breathtaking waterfalls. These aren't just any waterfalls. Erawan Falls has 7 magical tiers, each more stunning than the last. Imagine swimming in water so clear you can see the fish swimming around you. It's like stepping into a tropical paradise. But here's the challenge. Can you make it all the way to the 7th tier? The hike is no joke. Rocky paths, steep climbs, but the reward is worth it. At the top, you're greeted by this Erawan Falls crown jewel, named after the mythical 3-headed elephant. It's a view that will leave you speechless. Erawan Waterfalls isn't just a hike or a swim. It's an unforgettable experience. So, are you ready to explore all 7 tiers?